Tracking storms, alerting you, protecting your family. It's time for 10 Weather.
The warmer than average weather continues here, and we had our cool down, especially by the beginning of the week, but 76 out there today. The average is now 71. You can see we're well safe of the record, 84 degrees, set back in 1990. The lows in the mornings have been coming up as well, too, so it hasn't been quite as cool, and that'll kind of stay in the same boat next couple of days, all the way through the weekend, low to mid 50s. In fact, some areas close to the water will be a little bit warmer than that. So we talked last half hour about the Climate Prediction Center's forecast, and here's what it looks like graphically. And you can see a lot of the southern U.S. will be warmer than average all the way through April. And in fact, I went and did some research out through the summer, and it looks like it's going to be warmer than average. So let's enjoy these winter temperatures that we have. Slightly cooler across the northern plains and into the northwest. Here's the rainfall forecast. And that's not good for us, guys, because we are really dry as it is now, and all the way through the end of April, at least it's a forecast. But the Climate Prediction Center is saying we will stay relatively dry. So hopefully we can get some good rain in here every now and then at least. Lowe's Don Cesar Hotel camera just missed a great sunset going down over the water and behind some clouds over there. 71 degrees right now, 52-degree dew point. That has dropped just a little bit. But look at the 60s right along the coast. Crystal River, Brooksville, Newport Richey 64, 68 in Bradenton and Sarasota at 67. Meanwhile, 73 to about 74 degrees or so in Polk County, 76 in Ona. Wauchula is about the same, Sebring as well. You see a couple high clouds coming in. They tend to thin out a little bit. This is some rain here. That's not rain. I'm not too worried about that, but we will see just a few high clouds. That's it. Tomorrow morning, cool, not cold, but in the 40s for Hernando and Citrus County and parts of northern Pasco, so it will be on the chilly side, but most areas in the low to mid 50s, just like what we were first thing this morning. So forecast for your Friday, 76 degrees, right where we were at today, and a lot of sunshine around as well too. Those northeast winds turn to southwest in the afternoon. There's a front coming through tomorrow. It's not going to do much. There it is at 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. That's midnight tomorrow night into Saturday. There's not much with it, just a few extra clouds around on Saturday and some fog for Sunday morning, but that would be it. Boating, just glassy out there today on the bay. The Gulf had a little bit of a chop, 1 to 2 footers out there, mainly less than 2 feet, and a light chop on the bay for tomorrow. Allergy forecast, that's going to stay in that moderate to high range all the way through the weekend. Same thing, cedar, juniper, elm, and maple, the main allergens. And the dew point's going to actually stay very, very pleasant. We're going to go in those mid 50s, and that's not going to change. Peaks a little bit Saturday, but comes right back down. Big time rains have ended now out west. But, man, they got a lot more rain and snow again in California. Weekend looks great. We're talking a little bit warmer on Saturday than Sunday, but still mid-70s for highs. The regatta, the river regatta, Bradenton, Palmetto, that's going to be fantastic with temperatures about 74 degrees and no chance for rain. Good news there. In fact, our next chance for rain doesn't get here until Wednesday, but I have bumped it up to about 30%, and we'll have to watch the timing on that. Don't worry, I'll track it for you and let you know.